Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And yes, you heard Phoebe there. Oh yeah. So we are talking about Frankenwigs. Igor, you rang? Hey guys, so I'm going to be talking about Frankenwigs. So this is a term that was coined on the Broadway, and I want it to be recorded in time so that we have it. The infamous Paul Huntley is known for them. I'm known for them now because it actually is the smarter not harder technique. You know, wig hackers, hello. So I'm going to show you, I know, the inside of the wig that I created umpteen thousand years ago. So first, I want to show you, like, I'm sure if you follow me, I'll just move over here a little bit. But right here is going to be the photo of this wig. So you've probably seen it everywhere on Instagram, social media, and everything. But this wig has been around for umpteen thousand years. And when I tell you Frankenwig, I'm going to show you how. Back to the middle. So guys, here she is. She's been here. She's been through it. First and foremost, you can see how thin she is. Look at, I see you. So it's really thin, first and foremost, but I'm gonna do what every wig maker is like, don't do it. Here's the inside. Guys, we're talking over 10 years old here. 10. So obviously there is a ton of inverted hairs, so that means it's coming through. You can tell that there is so many wefts sewn in. And if you want, let's just look at this hairline first and foremost. Oh, 4 layers of lace already, right? 4 layers of lace. Crazy, I know, but this is a Frankenwig. And we are mix-matching, putting it together so that we can still get use out of it. And as you saw in the photo, she don't look bad for a Frankenwig, am I correct? So this is where the wig hacker really does come in, and you can offer a service, as I've said it before, of refronting their already existing wigs. This is a huge bonus for your services that you offer to your clients. I'm sure they've had wigs from the past. I'm sure they've had wigs like eons ago. You can give them a great condition, a great set of conditioning treatments, and then you can just refront it, put their hairline right on. Who knew, right? Well, you know now. But this is literally gonna help you build a whole nother stream of revenue, is the Frankenwig. I know we really shouldn't call that, so we'll just, you know, it's a Frankenwig. There's pieces from all over anywhere. I had a roommate back when this wig was created, and basically all the track hair is from her. She would just keep buying new every time. So, like, literally, you can totally make Frankenwig part of your business and help grow your business to lengths that you would have no idea. Fronting a wig is so much easier than starting from scratch, and truthfully, it will be great for people's budgets. First and foremost, we want to work smarter, not harder, so that Frankenwig really does come in a pinch. You can always put another front, you can always cut off the front you already had, or go back to the front that they used to have. You can recreate it. So if you have already gotten my books, make sure you get Wigging Out. Is going to show you the absolute process from beginning to end to create our fronted wigs. And then we have the business behind wigs, showing you how to take those concepts and put them into your salon so that you can start selling them to your clients and bringing in another stream of revenue, and also having another option for your clients. That is really what we want. We want to have the arsenal. As a hairstylist, as a wig maker, we have to have every single bit of information so that when a client comes to us, we have it in our arsenal to do, to create, to make what they need. So this is another thing that you should have in your full box of education, that you can work smarter, not harder, making wig lines, copying hair lines onto your wigs, So make sure you sign up. Make sure you go to danielkoyeeducation.com, get your books, and then if you want to fast track your way to making these wigs, you can sign up for the Ventilating Masterclass, which gives you my full kit that will, you don't even need to buy anything. I mean, you have everything in it. You get the full kit, you get your block, you get your wig, you get your lace, so you can definitely do a full complete front from the kit that you're getting. So make sure you sign up. If you want, I would like you to put in the comments if you already know how to front a wig and how long it takes you. That's what I want to know. I want to know how long it takes you to front a wig. So put it in the comments below, and I'll probably comment back and give you a little tippers to cut off some of that time. Oh yeah, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you can get more notifications on my crazy butt doing some crazy things in front of my great new backdrop. Crazy, right? Oh yeah. So guys, sign up and welcome to being a wig hacker. Smarter, not harder, kiddies.